Hi, this is Todd with ESOTERIC Car Care. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new Gyeon Bathe Essence shampoo. What Essence is the concentrated version of their Bathe that's been one of the most popular shampoos around. I just came out with this, introduced it at SEMA this past year. If you followed the reports that we did, I know I was talking about this with Jeff McEachran from Gyeon. And I know it caused a lot of excitement. People really looking forward to seeing a review on it finally. But given the fact it's been winter here in Ohio and we've been averaging about 6 degrees outside, it's taken us a little bit longer to get some testing time on it. So we finally had a break in the weather. We got to work with it a bit, and we wanted to give a little bit of report to everybody on it. So a couple differences between the Essence and the regular Bathe, other than the fact that it's highly concentrated. And when I talk about concentrated, I mean the small 400 milliliter bottle, this will do 80 washes. It's that concentrated. You don't want to use any more than the recommended, otherwise you're just going to be wasting product. So it's highly concentrated. As you can see, it's clear compared to the regular Bathe. This has no dyes in it. It has no scents added to it. And also there's no kind of gloss enhancers or anything. It's just a pure shampoo, which makes it a perfect product for maintaining coated vehicles. Or if you have any other kind of wax or sealant, it's not going to strip any of that either. It's just going to give you a nice, complete wash without adding anything to it. You're going to find out that, like I said, a little bit goes a long way, and also it is very slick. So that helps with washing stuff away nice and safely without having any kind of marring on the surface. Now, a couple other videos that you might want to take a look at after you watch this one. One of them would be how to properly wash and dry a vehicle, because we talk about techniques in particular to get the most out of your wash process. Also, our video on how to maintain a coated vehicle. We talk about pH neutral shampoos. We talk about how to maintain them afterwards, but this kind of ties in with all those videos as well. So if you're washing a lot of vehicles, or you're a detailer, or you've got quite a few cars at home that you're maintaining, this would make a lot of sense because it is so concentrated, and a little bit goes a long way. Comes with a nice pump, makes it easy to dispense it without going too much. So just combine this with nice microfiber, or this is their smoothie wash mitt. We have a lot of high quality wash mitts that we have available. Combine it with that, you're going to get a really good clean shampoo. This has a high sudsing action to it. A lot of shampoos that you get really have no sudsing whatsoever. It's more of a European thing. Here in America, we like things with bubbles and suds, and you get a lot of that out of this. Also, we did some testing with this in our foam cannon. Small amount, into the water, heavy dilution ratio. It worked fantastic in our MTM Hydro foam cannons as well. So you can use it a variety of ways. So if you've been on the fence, you've been wondering about it, it definitely gets our seal of approval. We're going to be using this a lot in the shop because a little bit goes a long way. That's about it for this. If you've got any experience with it, you'd like to provide some feedback, leave some comments here in our YouTube video. We're constantly monitoring it, and your information definitely helps other viewers at the same time. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we're constantly updating new videos on detailing tips, tools, and techniques. Well, that's about all for today. For Gyeon and ESOTERIC Car Care, I'm Todd Cooperrider. Thanks, and we'll see you again next time.